Coaching with Claudell. I'm on my way to a workshop that is hosted by my friend Rochelle. She has her own life coaching business, and the name of her life coaching business is Rochelle Jane Life Coaching. So when I found out about this, I was so excited, and I just had to vlog about it and put it on my GOGIRL series. I don't know if you guys remember what my GOGIRL series is. It's a series about women that I know in my life that are doing awesome things. So Rochelle does one-on-one sessions. If you need help, if you feel stuck and you need some assistance, she's there to help. And then she hosts workshops on a regular basis. And I'm going to go check out one of her workshops tonight. And I'm going to take you guys with so that you can see if maybe you want to try it out. So come on guys, let's go see what this is all about.
By that person's decisions, and they keep you locked in there. So series 1 was very focused on freeing you from the victim mentality and helping you realize you've got free will.
So we just finished the workshop. I had such an amazing time. I'm here with Elaine. So Elaine, how did you find it?
I absolutely loved the evening we spent here. It was amazing. It was so enriching, and all of us, the ladies here, learned so much. And we're feeling very inspired. It's feeling awesome.
So inspired. And guys, I actually maybe want to feature Elaine on an upcoming vlog. So keep watching, and you will see. Rochelle, she just finished her coaching of her amazing workshop. I was totally inspired, Rochelle. Thank you for inviting me. So how did you find it? Do you feel it was successful?
Yeah, I found it really, really good. Thank you so much for attending. It was so nice to see a familiar face. And it's hard for me to say whether or not it's successful, but for me, what I get so much value from is like the lady in the beginning who told me that the growth that she experienced from the last workshop to now has really changed her life.
Yes, that's true.
So to know that people are walking away feeling like that, that's why I do this. And just when people left, just saying thank you and that they learned something is what really means a lot to me. So based on that, I think it was a success.
Yes, I agree. So guys, thank you so much for watching this week's vlog. Please remember to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all next week. Bye! So I just got back from the event. It's already now about 9 o'clock. It was such a lovely event. I really enjoyed it, and I highly recommend that you guys go attend one of these workshops. I wanted to quickly give you guys a review on the lipstick that I wore. So this lipstick actually stayed on all evening. If you have a look here, I mean, this lipstick is amazing. I love this Yardley Stay Fast vinyl. I had it on now for 2 hours, and it is still looking exactly the same. And I even had something to drink, and I spoke a lot.